to turn off Reddit push notifications? First, you want to simply open the Reddit app, and inside the Reddit application, you want to simply tap on this U option over here. Tap on three bars at the top right of your screen, and you want to simply tap on settings. After that, you want to simply tap on account settings over here. Here, you want to simply scroll down and tap on manage notifications. By doing so, you'll be able to see all of your notification settings over here. And what you want to do is you want to simply turn off the feature that you don't want on your device. You want to simply tap on one of your option and tap on inbox, or if it's available, you want to simply tap on all off as well. However, there is a much quicker way as well. You want to simply come back from the app completely, tap and hold onto the Reddit application and tap on app info. Tap on notifications, and if you have this toggle turned on, you want to simply tap and turn the toggle switch off. By doing so, you won't be getting any kinds of notifications from the Reddit team. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.